Hey guys, welcome back to another Valentine's nail set. Today we're taking it a little bit more simple. We'll be doing press-on in today's video. If this is your very first time here on my channel, hi, welcome to Rare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on today's video. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you wish. Also follow me on all my socials. That's Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services, and let's jump on into this video. So today's video is a watch me work, if I did not say this, but you know, see I have to give my commentary here and there. So yeah, so right now I'm sticking on my double-sided tape onto my press-on stand. I think this is the worst. Like, this double-sided tape is good, but to peel off the red thing off it to get the nails to be stuck onto it, it took me a hot minute. I will demonstrate. I was just trying to pick it off, and it took me a little while to get off. So I just I just stopped. It's like stop recording and get all of them off before I can start recording again, because it took me a good little while. It's good. That shows that these things are effective. I was done at this point. So done. So finally I got the red stuff off. Now I'm going to choose the sizing for each of these nails. This is an almond set of nails. I got them off Amazon. I'll try to link it down below if you guys are interested, because I always seem to be forgetting these type of stuff. But I will try my very best in today's video. So I'll go ahead and size the nails, after which I'll then go ahead and stock the nails on my nail stand and prepare it for work. So today I'll be using some Jordana Black. This is regular nail polish, by the way. In my previous videos I said that I was running low. I didn't have the opportunity to go and buy any gel polish, so I had to substitute and use regular nail polish. I mean, this was a hot mess because I have not used nail polish in a hot minute, so you already know that was a little dilemma. I'm not used to, you know, it drying so quickly, because I'm used to, you know, gel polish which don't dry until you go ahead and cure it, but it was drying so quickly I had to literally slap it on so it looks neat and refined. I had to leave it for a little while so it could dry properly before going in and applying a top coat to kind of shield the nail polish. It was just a lot. I don't know what we were thinking when we were using nail polish, because this is a game changer. Gel polish is a game changer. Gel polish has allowed us to do so much. I'm so thankful for that. There I go, testing the nails. It's ready to top coat. Originally I was going to use some hard gel just because it was a little bit more hardier than the a regular top coat, but I didn't have any other also, so I definitely need to go shopping for a lot of things. And the other dilemma that I had was with my top coat. It was just not applying well. It was a lot, so I went ahead and cured that, and then I went in with Mifa, the brand that I, decided that, okay, all right, I'm not satisfied with the quality of the polish, I'm not going to use it again. The top coat literally saved my life, so shout out to you, Mifa, for doing your thing. Now I'm going in with some pigment color. I just want to show you that, I have some pigment color right here. This is from, if I can pronounce the name, Isos or something of that sort. You get 12 glow in the dark colors with a lamp. I'll be choosing pink and rose pink for my nail design today, because I want it to glow. I want some difference to it, So I'm going with white to create my highs first, because you want to give that illusion that the nails are glowing, but in truth and in honesty, my nails are literally glowing. But yes, besides that, we go ahead and draw the hearts. Just by looking at hearts, you think that it should have been one of the easiest things to draw, but sis, let me give it to you. No, it's not. It's not. It's very easy. It's very hard. It's very hard. So I was struggling right here, and you already know that I struggle with line work. So like doing these type of things is going to be very jagged. It don't look so straight. But besides that, I execute the job. The job was well done at the end of the day, and what I genuinely liked about this nail set is that it glowed. It definitely glowed. Yeah, so go ahead and apply hearts to each of the nails. I'll speed this video up because I don't want you guys to see me struggling, even though I just informed on myself that I am struggling right now. But yeah, that's the reality and the tea. I was struggling, so I'll speed up this video so I don't bore you guys. Very easy, simple design. Very cute. I saw ones with some heart and cherries. I was contemplating like a notebook with the hearts, but I thought I would overdo it. But if you want to see videos like this, definitely stay tuned to my channel. I think I have 2 more designs up my sleeve before the actual day comes around, just trying to get them out of my brain, because yeah, I do suffer from creative block syndrome. This is where when you don't get whatever out of your brain, and then you become stuck. Like, I know that I have heard a few persons talking about it, and I know now understand what they're talking about. Last year was a bit rough for me in terms of, creating stuff. That is what it took a whole year. Even though I post between those periods, it took a whole year for the creative block to kind of end, and I don't want to go back in that state because it's not good, and then you lose followers, you lose a lot of stuff, you lose your momentum, all of them someday. So I don't want to go back to that. So I need to get them out right now. Cure the hearts for 60 seconds, of course, and then I'll go in with my pigment color. What I can appreciate about this brand here is that it actually comes pigmented. So if you want pink, you get pink. That's what I was looking for initially, because I was there searching on Amazon, like trying to find actual pigment colors that are actual the color, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So yes, this is definitely worth the buy. It's definitely worth the quality. It's definitely worth the amount that you're getting. So yeah, I'll try to link it down below so you guys can go check that out also. So I'll go ahead and apply the pink on the bigger heart, and then for the smaller heart I will use the orangey coral color that they claimed that was pink, which I was so off. I don't know if people are seeing colors correctly at this point, but yeah, I'll go ahead and use the pinkest pink on the larger hearts and then the coral pink on the smaller hearts. Actually did 2 coatings of the pigment color for the hearts because I want a little bit more vibrancy. I don't know if that's a word, but yeah, I made it a word today. So I'll cure each application for 60 seconds, then I'll go in and apply my white again. So this gives you the illusion that it's illuminating. So what I definitely learned from this is that I will go in and apply a more paler white before I go in and apply the pigment color, because I think that's what was the problem for me. It wasn't illuminating properly. So that when next I do a design like this, I'll definitely do a paler heart underneath, going with the pigment colors, and then going with a more vibrant color on top, so it gives you that decent illumination, if I'm making sense. So the next step is that we're going to cure, of course, for 60 seconds, and then we're going with our matte top coat. I did 2 applications because I didn't like how the first application came out. Cure that for 60 seconds to top the design. We're going to go ahead and apply the nails, and then I'll apply some cuticle oil around the nails. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below. Also follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok, and stay tuned. You will see when the nails illuminate.